If your diesel engine has started to sound rough, lose power, or guzzle more fuel, it's not dying. It's just begging for a smarter oil change. Most drivers treat oil changes as a basic chore. But what if I told you that doing a few simple extra steps during every oil change can make your diesel engine run smoother, cleaner, and even feel brand new again? In this video, I'll reveal 10 expert tricks that diesel mechanics use, but never tell you. And if you follow them, your engine could easily outlast 300,000 miles. Let's dive in. Number 1, warm up the engine before draining the oil. One of the biggest mistakes diesel owners make is draining cold oil. Before your next oil change, let your engine run for at least 10 minutes. This warms up the oil and thins it out, allowing it to flow freely and take out more contaminants. Diesel oil tends to trap soot, carbon, and microscopic metal particles. When the oil is hot, these impurities are suspended, and they drain out far more effectively. Draining cold oil leaves sludge and debris sitting in the pan, shortening your engine's lifespan. So remember, warm oil means a cleaner system and smoother running diesel. It's a small step, but it makes a huge difference. Number 2, always replace the drain plug washer. Every time you change the oil, replace the small metal or rubber washer on your drain plug. Most drivers skip this, thinking it's unnecessary. But over time, that washer hardens, flattens, or cracks, leading to slow oil leaks. A small leak might not seem serious, but a few drops every drive can lower your oil level enough to cause engine wear. Replacing the washer costs less than $1, but it ensures a tight seal that protects your entire lubrication system. Plus, it prevents stripped threads from over-tightening the plug. It's one of those cheap, overlooked details that separates amateurs from real pros. Number 3, pre-fill your new oil filter. Before screwing on the new oil filter, pour fresh oil into it and let it soak the internal paper element. This ensures that when you start your engine after the oil change, it's not running dry for those first few seconds. Diesel engines, especially large ones, need immediate oil pressure to protect bearings and turbo components. A dry start can cause micro-scarring inside your engine, invisible damage that adds up over time. Filling the filter in advance gives the oil pump an instant boost, helping it build pressure faster. Just don't overfill. Pour about 2/3, let it absorb, and then install carefully. Number 4, use the right oil grade for your climate diesel engines are sensitive to viscosity. Using the wrong oil grade can cause poor lubrication, hard starts, and excessive wear. In colder climates, a 5W40 synthetic diesel oil is ideal because it flows easily during startup. In hotter areas, 15W40 gives better protection against high-temperature breakdown. Always check your owner's manual and local temperature range. The right oil not only improves performance, but also helps your turbocharger spin freely without oil starvation. Cheap or incorrect oil grades can cause more wear in 1 year than proper oil could prevent in 5. Don't save $10 to risk a $10,000 rebuild. Your diesel deserves better. Number 5, clean the oil filler cap and surrounding area. Most people pop the oil cap off without thinking, but that's a major contamination risk. Dirt, sand, or grit around the filler neck can easily fall inside your engine during an oil change, scratching internal components and accelerating wear. Before opening it, wipe the area clean with a lint-free rag. Check under the cap for sludge buildup. If it's milky or thick, it could indicate moisture contamination or coolant leaks. A quick cleaning with a bit of brake cleaner can keep debris out of the crankcase. Simple, right? But this tiny act can save your engine from years of hidden damage. Number 6, inspect the old oil filter for metal particles. Never toss your old oil filter without inspecting it. Cut it open and check the pleats for shiny metallic flakes. If you find any, it could be an early sign of internal wear, from bearings, camshafts, or the turbocharger. This trick helps you spot developing issues long before they turn into expensive breakdowns. Diesel mechanics use this trick regularly to detect problems before they even appear as symptoms. You'll know whether your engine's internals are healthy or under stress, all from a 5-minute inspection. Remember, prevention is always cheaper than repair. Number 7, top off with a quality diesel oil additive. Diesel engines produce more soot and carbon than gas engines, so adding a diesel-specific oil additive can work wonders. Look for one that improves lubrication, cleans deposits, and stabilizes viscosity. These additives help neutralize acids that build up from combustion, protecting seals and bearings. Some even boost detergency, helping your oil clean the engine better between changes. But don't overdo it. Always follow the recommended dosage. A good additive can reduce engine noise, improve cold starts, and keep your oil cleaner longer, extending the life of both your oil and your engine. Number 8, replace the fuel filter at every second oil change. Most diesel drivers forget that clean oil means nothing if dirty fuel is entering the engine. Diesel injectors are extremely precise and sensitive to contaminants. Changing your fuel filter every 2 oil changes ensures your fuel system stays protected. Over time, fuel filters clog with water, rust, and microscopic particles. When that happens, the injection pump strains, leading to rough idling and reduced fuel economy. A clean filter means proper pressure, smoother acceleration, and cleaner combustion. It's a simple preventive step that adds thousands of healthy miles to your diesel engine's life. Number 9, don't forget to reset the oil life monitor. Modern diesel trucks and SUVs have oil life monitoring systems that track engine temperature, load, and RPM to estimate oil health. After changing the oil, always reset this system manually. Otherwise, it may trigger false warnings or confuse the ECU's maintenance schedule. Neglecting this can cause the ECU to miscalculate fuel-air ratios and regeneration cycles for DPF-equipped vehicles. It's not just about the light on your dash. It's about ensuring your onboard computer knows your engine is running with fresh oil so it can optimize performance and efficiency properly. Number 10, do a post-change inspection for leaks and pressure. After refilling the oil and starting your engine, don't just shut the hood and drive off. Let it idle for a few minutes and check for leaks around the filter, drain plug, and oil pan. Also, watch your oil pressure gauge. It should stabilize quickly. If pressure takes too long to build, something might be wrong with your filter or pump. These 2 minutes of observation can prevent catastrophic oil loss on the road. Recheck your dipstick after the first test drive. Oil often settles, so you might need to top it off slightly. It's the final step that ensures everything you've done pays off perfectly. So there you go. 10 powerful steps that transform a regular oil change into a complete diesel rejuvenation. Do these every time, and your engine will thank you with smoother starts, quieter performance, and a lifespan that could outlast the vehicle itself. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Care Xpert, and share this video with every diesel owner you know. Because most people just change oil, but you now know how to change the life of your engine.